guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we'll be talking about the hottest trends for fall. I'll be showing you some new pieces that I picked up and I think are a must-have this season. So if you're interested, keep watching. Also, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see my daily outfits, my new purchases, how I style them. You can see my daily looks on my stories. If you're interested, come check it out. I'd love to see you there as well. Okay, so as I mentioned, today I will be showing you some new pieces that I have, but also I want to show you some essentials that you need for your fall wardrobe. But to me, an essential piece in everyone's wardrobe is cashmere. I love cashmere because it's much lighter than wool and it is also 8 times warmer. It is a great transitional piece, but also I love to wear cashmere in the winter when it gets really cold. I like to layer up and feel extra cozy and warm. And I also love wearing cashmere at home. I love creating my own zen at home and wear lovely cashmere pieces that are very cozy and comfortable and keep me warm as well at home. So I have 2 new pieces to show you, and I want to start with this first one that I think is absolutely gorgeous. I'll try it on and style it up for you. This is a beautiful 100% cashmere scarf from Senreve. I knew the quality of this would be amazing, like their handbags that are all made in Italy, from Tuscany, from the highest quality leather. The cashmere is harvested humanely from nomadic goats in Mongolia by local herders, and they produce the finest cashmere. All products are artisanal and handmade to last. I think they developed a very thoughtfully curated collection of pieces that are highly functional and versatile, like this shawl that I picked up. I love this because it's small enough to be used as a scarf, but large enough to serve as a throw. I picked up this beautiful one to add a fun pop of color to my wardrobe, but this is also available in some other color options, so check it out. I also picked up something else that I think will look great with this shawl that I'll show you in a bit as well. But I also wanted to show you the other piece. Let me just grab it quickly. Okay, I'm here. So this is the other piece that I picked up. This beautiful caramel delicious cardigan. It feels so luxurious. To me, this is an elevated, comfortable, everyday essential that can be dressed up again for an evening out, or you can even wear this at home again for a relaxing night in. The cashmere feels very cozy and breathable. It is the perfect all-weather layer to replace a jacket. I picked up mine in this beautiful biscotti color, but they also have 3 other neutral color options that will work seamlessly with anything in your wardrobe. It comes in grey, saffron and meringue, and I'm pretty sure that I'll end up buying another one of these because I already love mine so much. So these 2 pieces that I just showed you, to me, are basic pieces that everyone needs in their wardrobe because they're so versatile and you can wear them year after year. They're very good quality. I personally don't mind spending a little bit more for more good quality luxurious pieces because I know they will last me forever. The next big trend for fall 2020 are miniature bags and airport cases, designer airport cases. I do have one there that I just unboxed. I see these everywhere. All designer brands are now doing airport cases and they're super adorable. They'll be a huge hit this winter and I personally love this trend. That's why I decided to buy into the trend. So I got this one first, and then I also saw that Senreve has launched the new Mili Maestra and I fell in love and I had to get not 1 but 2 of them. Like, look how cute these baggies are, honestly, and these colors. These come in other colors as well. I picked up these 2. I think they are very easy to style and I loved these colors the most, but they also have these in black, burgundy and navy, I believe. The price of these babies is great for the quality you get. And also I find these ones a lot more versatile than many of the other designer airport cases that are currently available. So these ones I love because you can wear as a mini baggie. You know how trendy miniature baggies are. These are also slightly bigger, so they do fit a bit more. They fit your AirPods, but you can also fit a lipstick inside, maybe some cash and keys. And they have the magnetic closure. Also, you can wear these in multiple ways. So you have the long strap, you can wear this crossbody, you can wear it as a belt bag. It also has this clip on the back, so you can clasp it to your bag as a back charm, or you can clasp it to your jeans. I also wanted to quickly mention Senrev's handbag revival campaign, which I think you might be interested in. Unlike traditional luxury brands that infamously burn their products, I'm sure many of you have heard this, Senrev is giving handbags a new life, which I think is brilliant. Senrev is giving their community the opportunity to own an almost perfect or perfect enough handbag at a special price. So these handbags were used in, let's say, photo shoots, displays in their flagship stores, but they refuse to burn their bags and harm the environment. I think this campaign has already launched on the 16th of this month, so I'll link all details down below for you to check out. Okay, now I quickly mentioned this, so you'll see this in a different video, but I wanted to quickly show you in this video as well, since we're talking about airport cases. I got this from Chanel, but again, you can see the unboxing in one of my other videos because I unboxed it with other stuff that I picked up. But yeah, I quickly wanted to show you this because I know this is a very trendy piece for fall. But yeah, again, I did unbox this in another video that's coming soon, so you'll see this in more detail in one of my other videos. I bought another very hot popular piece this season, and it is this. You might have seen this jacket in one of my previous videos. I wore it already. I have a shopping vlog, so I'll make sure I link it up here in this corner so you can check it out. And I love this jacket so much. If you have to buy one ready-to-wear piece for this fall, I would highly recommend this. It is absolutely beautiful, a statement piece, but at the same time it's very classic. So I love that. To me, this is a forever piece. Sadly, I think these are now sold out. However, if you manage to find one, if you see it anywhere, make sure you grab one because this is amazing. It is such a beautiful piece to have in your wardrobe. If you are annoyed that I'm showing you this because it's sold out, don't worry, because I have a great alternative for you. If you missed on this piece, or if you want something that is a bit more affordable but you can get like the same look, definitely check out this. I don't have it in my collection, so I will insert a picture. This YSL brooch. It will give you the exact same look, and you can pin it to any blazer, any jacket, any coat, and it will instantly elevate your look. So if you missed on this jacket, if you have a lower budget, maybe check out this one. If you're not ready to spend that much on a ready-to-wear, this is a great alternative and it will give you the same look. Let's talk about Prada next. Prada is one of the hottest brands currently, together with Bottega Veneta probably. But the Prada pieces, I checked out the pop-up at Harrods, the Prada pop-up. They are currently having a pop-up till the end of this month, and I loved all the pieces. If you like to keep up with the trends, definitely check out Prada's nylon pieces. They have beautiful ready-to-wear pieces, beautiful accessories made of nylon. You know that nylon is very signature for Prada. So yes, now currently it is a huge trend, but it's also very classic. So you can't really go wrong with anything nylon, Prada nylon. Another Prada piece that I personally think is a great buy is the belt bag that I tried. If you've missed my shopping vlog, I will insert a clip so you can see what I'm talking about. These belt bags are so adorable and they look great on top of blazers, again on top of clothes, even on top of that cardigan I showed you earlier. I love them, I love the look. You can take off the little baggies, you can definitely add a simple chain and wear them crossbody. I think they're very versatile. You can wear the belt on its own, you can add the little baggie to it. They come in 3 colors, or at least I saw 3 colors in Harrods. I really love the black and the caramel one. I tried on the black, but they also have it in this beautiful caramel, very neutral caramel color that will be very easy to style. Let's talk about boots. The hottest boots of the season are the Prada, probably the Prada boots with the little pockets. I did find these in Harrods as well and I tried them on. They're personally not for me. I know they're very trendy, so if you're looking for something very cool, definitely check those out. To me they were quite heavy and not very practical. However, these babies, I hope you guys picked these when they launched them. I know they're sold out now, very difficult to find, but I'm sure Chanel will bring more of these out because they're stunning and they know people will buy them because they are very popular now. So these come in other colors. I saw them in the most beautiful grey. I picked up the black because they're classic. Fabulous piece to have in your wardrobe for fall and winter. So you definitely see these all over Instagram during the next couple of months. when it gets colder. I think they're amazing, and again, if you can find these, definitely add these to your wardrobe for fall. Someone suggested in the comments that I should film a video about bags for fall and winter. Let me know if you guys will be interested. But talking about the hottest pieces in this video, I have to mention Bottega Veneta, because their bags are currently hot everywhere. Everyone wants them. I personally love the cassette bag with the chunky chain. It is so cool. I honestly would love to get one of these, but I know it's a very trendy piece. If you like the look but you want something more classic, I would go for the Chanel 19, which is again another very hot bag. I saw that they're releasing new really cool colors with their new upcoming collection, the fall winter collection from Chanel. They'll have it in this beautiful burgundy color. It's almost like patent look. I'll insert a picture. And also in this gorgeous grey tweed, which is so yeah, these two bags I'm kind of eyeing as well. I can't wait to check out Chanel's new collection. There will definitely be a vlog coming. Let's talk about chunky gold jewelry. I have 3 pieces to show you. I love layering and wearing chunky gold jewelry with blazers. I think they make the look 100 times cooler. So I have these, which I'm sure many of you already have because they're like so popular now. The Louis Vuitton hoops that everyone probably has already. These I think are perfect for fall. They look cool with any outfit and they're quite a classic piece, but at the same time very hot right now. So next I have this choker. Mine is from Dior and it's a bit more blingy. And no, I don't think chokers are done. I actually think they look fabulous, and Dior is currently doing some amazing chokers, so I'll link some of them down below if you're looking for a cool one. And also I have this from Italo Jewelry. Again, a bit blingy, but it is chunky and it looks great with anything. It looks great with blazers again and leather jackets. The last essential piece in my fall wardrobe, and also a really cool trend this season, are leather blazers. They make you look so expensive, so put together. I love them in black, but also recently I've been eyeing a few like caramel colors. If you're looking for high street options, I will link some down below that I think are great. I saw some beautiful caramelly toned blazers in Zara. I currently have one from Zara actually. I love styling it with my Louis Vuitton t-shirt. I think it looks great with a black pair of leggings or jeans. So yeah, I think these are great and a huge favorite of mine this season. Alright guys, these were my top picks to have in your wardrobes this fall season. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Thank you so much for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!